Hi everyone, welcome back to DIY Discovery with me, Mad Scientist Maddie. Today, we're going to be doing rainbow milk. So what we're going to be looking at today is surface tension. First thing we need is milk in a flat dish like this. I'm going to use some magic to do it. There we go. Now, next thing, food coloring. And we're going to do a couple of spots of food coloring all around in a few different colors. All right, now, I like these little dots, but what if I want to mix them in a fun science way? All right, first things first, this is just a plain cotton bud. And if I stick it into the milk, nothing happens. Obviously, that's what you'd expect. Now what we need is some soap. So I've got some dish soap here in a little container. I've just dipped it into the dish soap. Now watch what happens. Whoa! It's like it ran away. And if I put it onto one of the dots, haha, look at that. So what's happening here? It's all got to do with something called surface tension. Surface tension is where the molecules on the surface of a liquid, basically, they like to hold on to each other. It's like they're holding hands, and they're kind of pulling a little bit. And soap is what's called a surfactant. A surfactant is something that makes those molecules break apart and not hold hands anymore. So when I put this with a little bit of soap into the milk, the bits of the milk that are closest to it stop holding hands, and then the bits of the milk that are kind of next to it go woo, like that, because they're holding hands and they're pulling each other. And that's what's happening when we break the surface tension with a surfactant. Maybe you can try this at home and see what it does for you. Have fun doing science. Bye.